Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Getting a letter with the official seal of the Attorney General can be intimidating, but it doesn't always mean you're in trouble. Let's break down why you might receive one. First, you need to know which Attorney General sent it. There's the U.S. Attorney General, the top lawyer for the federal government, and then each state has its own Attorney General, who is the top lawyer for that state. The vast majority of the time, a letter will come from your state Attorney General's office, and it's often related to consumer issues. One of the most common reasons is that you filed a consumer complaint against a business for a bad service or a faulty product. The AG's office might be writing to you to get more information or to let you know they are mediating the dispute. Another possibility is that you are a witness. A company you did business with might be under investigation for deceptive practices, and the AG's office needs to confirm details from customers like you. The letter might also be about debt collection. Some state AGs regulate debt collection agencies, and they might be contacting you about a debt you owe or, conversely, to inform you of your rights if a collector is harassing you. In some states, the Attorney General's office is also responsible for enforcing child support orders, so the letter could be related to a child support case. You might also receive a letter if you were the victim of a crime, providing you with an update on the case or information about victim compensation funds. Sometimes, the state is suing a large company for things like price gouging or environmental violations, and you might be identified as someone who was affected, making you eligible to be part of a settlement. Now, getting a letter from the U.S. Attorney General or the Department of Justice is generally less common and can be more serious. It could mean you are a witness, a person of interest, or a target in a federal investigation. It could also relate to a civil rights complaint you filed or an investigation into such matters in your area. Whatever the reason, the most important thing is not to panic and not to ignore it. First, carefully read the entire letter to understand what it's about. Look for any deadlines. Next, verify that the letter is legitimate. Scammers sometimes use official-looking logos to trick people. Find the official website for the Attorney General's office on your own and call the number listed there to confirm they sent the correspondence. Do not use the phone number printed on the letter itself until you've verified it's real. If the letter is confusing, accusatory, or asks you to provide evidence or testimony, your next step should be to consult with an attorney before you respond. An attorney can help you understand your rights and obligations and can craft a proper response on your behalf. Ignoring the letter, especially if it has a deadline, is the worst thing you can do as it could lead to negative consequences. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward legal explanations.